video today, I'm going to show you an easy strategy that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing on Store24 as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is simple because everything is going to be done by AI and you are going to be getting free traffic to your affiliate link. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. Before we get into the details, I want to update my page so that you can see everything. You can see right here, update. So let me click on it. You can see I've updated my page and everything remains the same. So now the first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many of them, but I usually recommend Store24 because Store24 is available worldwide. Wherever you are in the world, you can join it and then be able to promote products. Once you get sales, you can be able to withdraw your money directly to your local bank accounts. So now just create a Store24 account. Once you create your accounts and log in, they have a new dashboard. You can see it used not to be like this, but they have changed everything. So now once you are on your dashboard, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Marketplace is simply where you can get products on this platform to promote so that you can earn an affiliate commission. So click on marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. You can see these are available products that you can promote, but these products are sorted. They are sorted based on popularity. So all the products that you are seeing on your screen right now are popular products. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. These are popular products on the platform. So any of them that you want, you can select it to promote. If you don't want any of these products, you can click right here, digital products. Digital products, they have them in many categories that you can select. You can see animals and pets, betting system, business and investment, computer and internet, and many others. You can see a whole lot of them. So those of you who have blogs or who have YouTube channels that are concentrated on a specific niche, you can just click on the digital products and then find a product here so that you can recommend to your audience. You can see a whole lot of them. If you don't want to promote the digital products, you can also promote seminars and events, services, and then physical products. So for example, if you click on it, physical products, they have skincare. So if you want to promote skincare products, you can do that. They have food supplements. If you want to promote food supplements, you can just click right here. Once you click on it, there are many of them that you can promote. You can see this is a food supplement that you can promote, and the commission rate is $70.96 per every sale that you get. That is the amount that the product owner is going to pay you for you driving traffic to the product and then getting sales. You can see this one, $53.56 per sale, and many others. There are a lot of them. You can see this product right here. The commission rate is $117.85 per every sale that you get. You can see a whole lot of them. So just select any of them that you want to promote and then drive traffic to your affiliate link so that you can be able to get people to purchase the product. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting one of these products. So just select the one that you want. Let me select this one. It has a high commission rate. So let's see what the product is about. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see, just read about it. What is the product about? To get more information about the product, just click on sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you can get a lot of information about the product. You can see a whole lot of different information about the product. So you can read and learn more about the product before you promote it. So let's go back so that we can see more about the product. You can see these are the statistics related to the product. When you scroll down, this is the most important information that you have to be careful of. You can see cart conversion rate. The cart conversion rate is the percentage of people who click on the link of the product and then go ahead to make a purchase. So if you promote the product and then get 100 people to click on your affiliate link, about 8% of them are going to purchase the product. The cancellation rate is also important. The cancellation rate is the number of people who purchase the product and then later they say they do not want it. You know the product, they have to supply them in batches. So some people can purchase it and later find out that the product is not good for them. You can see the cancellation rate is 7.89%. What it means is that the number of people who purchase the product and then return it is very low. You can see 7%. So you can see if about 100 people purchase the product, only 7.89% of those people are going to return the product. That means this product is good. Many people like it. You can see the cancellation rate is not even up to 10%. So what it means is that this product is one of the best that you can promote. So you can learn more about it. So if you want, you can search further and then find products that have much lower cancellation rate but a high cart conversion rate. So you have to do the research. So just click on all the products or many of the products under a specific category and then select the one that you want. So let's select this one right here. You can see Joseph's World. This is a product. Let's check it to see the cancellation rate and the cart conversion rate. You can see the cart conversion rate is 16%. The cancellation rate is 5.32%. That is extremely low. So when we compare this product to the one we viewed earlier, this one is much better. So we can also check what this product is about. So click right here. Once you click on it, you are going to see the landing page of the product. You can see this is the landing page of the product. You have to listen to the video so that you can get to know what the product is about. But because we don't have a lot of time to watch the video, I have done a Google search, so I'm going to show you what the product is about. You can see right here, this is what the product is about. It's a DIY digital guide designed for creating an atmospheric water generator that extracts drinkable water. So you can see, you have to read, you can see all that it is about. So what it means is that you can promote this product since it has a low cancellation rate but a high cart conversion rate. So I'm going to be promoting this product right here. Joseph's World. It's a DIY digital product. DIY stands for do it yourself. So this product will help people to generate drinkable water by themselves. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to promote the product. To promote the product, you have to click right here so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you get your affiliate link, you have to get people to click on this link and then go ahead to purchase the product. If you don't get people to click on your link, you are not going to be making any sales. So you have to find people to click on your link. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using AI so that it can help us create a product and then use that product as a lead magnet to get people to click on our link and then purchase the product. So the best AI that can help us to create a product is Claude.ai. Claude.ai is one of the best AI tools that you can use to write articles, ebooks, and many other stuffs. But I'm going to focus on writing in this tutorial. So what you need to do is that you have to write your prompt right here. So we are going to type a prompt here so that this AI can write an ebook for us so that we can use it to promote the product. So write a prompt like this or better. So this is just an example. You can create your own prompt that will get this AI to write a high quality ebook for you. So let's read mine. You can see create a 20-page ebook DIY digital guide on how to generate drinkable water from humid air. I want to promote a product called Joseph's World in the ebook. So provide a call to action under these images in the ebook for me to insert my affiliate link. So now you have to insert images of the product that you want to promote. In this case, you are promoting Joseph's World. You can see in this case, we are promoting Joseph's World. So what we need to do is that you have to get images of Joseph's World so that we can insert them in the front. So come right here, click on images. Once you click on images, there are a lot of them. You can see these are images of the product. Click on any of them and then right click. Once you right click, select save image as. Once you click on select save image as, you are going to save the image onto your device. Once you save the image, come back on your prompt and then click on this plus sign. Once you click on it, select add file or photos. Once that is done, select your image. Once you select your image, it is going to be uploaded. You can see it has been uploaded. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here send so that this AI can generate a book for you. You can see it is working. Within some time it will create the book for you. So you can see if you want to be notified when it is complete, you can click right here, notify, so that it can notify you when it finishes writing the ebook. So I'm going to wait for it to finish the ebook so that I can continue with the next section. You can see within the matter of minutes it has generated an ebook. You can see this is the first page of the ebook. You can see everything. This is the first page. You can see the title. You can see the subtitle. Now let's scroll down to see how the ebook looks like. You can see everything. You can see the table of content. Everything is well organized. You can see everything. It has generated a 23-page ebook. You can see everything. Let me scroll down. You can see the ebook. You can see the ebook. You can see everything. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see the ebook. You can see everything in the ebook. Let's scroll down. You can see right here, you can insert your affiliate link right here. Now what you need to do is that you have to download it. So you can just scroll everything and then read the information in the ebook. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to download it. So click right here, download. Once you click on it, it has been downloaded onto your PC. Now what you have to do is that you have to insert your affiliate link. So you have to use a PDF editor. So let's search for PDF editor. Once you search for PDF editor, what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down and then select Cedar.com. Cedar.com is one of the easiest platform where you can edit PDF. So let's click on upload PDF file. Once you click on it, select your PDF file. Once you select it, the next step is that you have to edit the information. So just scroll down where there is a call to action. You have to insert your affiliate link in it. So let's scroll down to see a call to action. We ask the AI to include call to actions. So let's scroll down to see this is our call to action. You can see your affiliate link. So we have to insert our affiliate link right here. So what you need to do is that you have to delete all the unwanted text. So let's delete this one. Let's highlight everything and delete it. I just want to delete everything. So I want to just highlight it and then delete. Once you delete it, the next step is that you have to come right here. This one too, you have to delete it. Delete everything. Once you delete it, we are going to move this text upwards. So let's move it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link. So highlight it. Just highlight everything. Once you highlight it, come back on this 224, click on copy promo link. Once you copy your promo link, you're going to come back, click on this icon. You can see create a link. Place your affiliate link right here. As you can see, that has been done. So let's close it. Once that is done, you have to scroll down and then insert your link in all the call to actions. Once that is done, click on apply changes. Once you click on it, your affiliate link is now in your document. So anytime people read it, they are going to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. So your affiliate link has been inserted. Let's scroll down to test our affiliate links. Let's scroll down to see how our affiliate link is working. So you can see this is our affiliate link. When you click on it, it is going to be directed to the product. So click on leave. As you can see, it has been directed to the product. You can see it right here. So once people view the product and then go ahead to purchase it, you are going to be earning $77.92. So now once we have the product, the next step is that we have to get people to read the document so that we can get them to click on our affiliate link and then purchase the product. So download the document. Once you click on download, it is going to be downloaded onto your PC. Once you download it, the next step is that you have to find a platform where you can get people to download the ebook and then read. Once they read, they can click on your affiliate link to purchase the product. One of the best websites where you can upload your ebooks for free and then get people to read it is scriptd.com. Scriptd.com is one of the best websites where you can upload your ebooks and then get a lot of people to read it. So as you can see, these are all PDF documents that people have uploaded onto this platform and many people are reading them. You can see a whole lot of different books that people are reading. You can see a whole lot of them. So we want to also upload our ebook right here. This platform, you are going to get a lot of traffic to your ebook. For example, you can see this ebook right here. It has 844 likes. Let me click on it to show you the number of views. So once you click on it, you can see the number of views, 303k views. Imagine you get 303k views on your document, you can see that a lot of people are going to click on your affiliate link and then go ahead to purchase the product that you are promoting, and you are going to be making a lot of money. So let's click on upload. Once you click on upload, you are going to click right here, select documents to upload, and then select your ebook that you downloaded. Once you select your ebook, you are going to enter the title right here. So this is the title. Now let's go back on Claude so that it can write a description for us. So let's type something like write 100 characters description of the book, just something like this, and then click on send. It will write the description for the book so that you can copy the same description and then post it on scriptg.com. So let's highlight everything like this, highlight everything, copy it. Once you copy it, we are going to come back on scriptg.com. Let's paste it right here. You can see a short description. That is okay. You can see 97/100, just a short description. Once you have your short description, the next step is that you have to publish it onto the platform. So click right here, submit. Once you click on submit, your document will be uploaded and you are going to get many people to view it. You can see view all your uploads to make changes to this document. So your document is live. You can see this is the URL to your document. If you click right here, view, you are going to see your document on the platform. You can see this is your document on the platform. This is exactly what people are going to be seeing. You can see your document on the platform. You can see everything about your document. You can see everything. You can see everything about your document on the platform. You can see everything. Let me scroll down to see our affiliate link. You can see right here your affiliate link is here. So right now it has 0 views, 0 rating. So assume your readers read everything and then click on this affiliate link, they are going to be directed to a product. You can see this is your affiliate link. So your readers are going to click right here. Once they click on it, they are going to see the product landing page. You can see it right here. Now once they make a purchase, you are going to be earning $77.92 per every sale that you get. So this is one of the best methods that you can use to make money as a complete beginner with affiliate marketing. So that is it for today's video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.